see, the living area is pretty spacious. We have the refrigerator space here, and we have the bedroom number 3. As soon as we enter, we can already... Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here at Renaissance Reserva by Renaissance Holdings for a sample flat tour which is located at Jalahalli, Bengaluru. Well, we will let you know a lot in detail about this project, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing companies whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers resulting in a lot of calls. Whereas Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers, so you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. Talking about the project overview of Renaissance Reserva, that is by Renaissance Holdings. It is spread across 2.5 acres consisting of 5 towers consisting of 214 units, and as I told you, it is located right in the outer ring road of Jalahalli Cross, and for a descriptive address, it is located at Mutyala Nagar Gokula Extension, Jalahalli, Bengaluru, which is available in 2 and 3 BHK variants. Talking about the connectivities, as I told you, it is located right on the outer ring road of Jalahalli, and also airport is just 30 minutes drive away from this project. And also talking about the amenities, it has to offer you many modern amenities which includes swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, court area and many more. Right now we are standing outside Renaissance Reserva. The builder is Renaissance Holdings, which is of 1550 square feet, the 3 BHK sample flat and located at Gokula Extension, Mutyala Nagara, Jalahalli. So now let's have a look at the sample flat. As soon as we enter, we can see the entry space that's right here, and that leads us to a very beautiful, spacious and huge living area, I must say. As you can see, the living area is pretty spacious and I am able to easily walk around the living area. So this is the sofa space and that is the lamp side space, and also opposite to the sofa space I have TV unit space, and there's an attached balcony to the living area. Let's have a look at the balcony space. So this is the balcony space of this 3 BHK sample flat. It's pretty spacious and very apt for your morning coffees and evening chais. So now let us have a look at the dining area. So as we continue to go further from the living area, right diagonal to that I have the dining area that's right here. I'm easily able to walk around the dining area, and that leads us to the kitchenette area that's right there. So as we continue to go further, here we have the kitchenette area. We have the refrigerator space here, and we have the cabinets and everything, all the space that's right here, which is very spacious and nice. Here is the sink space, and also there's an attached utility space to the kitchenette area, and that is also quite spacious. So as we continue to exit the kitchenette area, now let's have a look at the bedroom number 1. So as we continue to go further, there's really good walking space that's right here that leads us to the bedroom number 1. But before that, there's a common washroom that's right here, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So right opposite to the common washroom, I have the bedroom number 1. So welcoming you all for the bedroom number 1. This is mostly a really good space, I will say, for a study or a workspace kind of environment, because I can see pretty spacious and nice space that's right here. So here you can use it as workspace or study space, and right here they have accommodated it as a lounge space, and that side is the powder area. But you can alter it or design it as per your needs. Now let us have a look at the bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom number 2. As we enter, we can already see a really nice bed space that's right here, which can easily accommodate your king size or queen size bed. And alongside the bed space, I have lamp space as well. And also right opposite to that, I have half slidable windows. And right next to the bed space, I also have wardrobe space. And the exit of the bedroom number 2 will lead us to the final bedroom, that is the master bedroom. So let us have a look at the master bedroom. So wait, before entering the master bedroom, let me tell you what actually Housey does for us. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. In Housey, we will let you know pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will give you full price inclusive of EMI and down payment. Last but not the least, in Housey, we give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. If after all this, you would like to book your free site visit today, then simply by 3 clicks, you can click on the link mentioned in the description box below and book your free site visit today. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit today. So let us have a look at the master bedroom. As soon as we enter, we already see there is an attached washroom to the master bedroom, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. And the exit of the washroom, I have the entry to the master bedroom, that is the bedroom number 3. As soon as we enter, we can already see there is a good amount of space in and around the bed, which I am able to easily walk, and also you can easily accommodate your king size or queen size bed. And you can also see the wardrobe units that's right here, and next to that I have the powder area. And also my favorite part of any house or any room is the balcony. So there's an attached balcony to the bedroom number 3, that is the master bedroom, and it is quite spacious and nice, I must say. Very nice and breezy and very good and spacious as well. So this leads us to the exit of this sample flat tour, that is a 3 BHK sample flat tour, that is Renaissance Reserva by Renaissance Holdings. If after all this you would like to book your free site visit today to this project, then go register yourselves on housey.com first, and then you can also download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. And before going, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and project updates. So Housey audience, have you ever bought any apartment or any flat in this location, that is Jalahalli? If there are any pros and cons of this particular location, that is Jalahalli, Mutyala Nagar, Gokula Extension, do let us know in the comment section below, and that will also help us to cover more projects in and around this area. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Renaissance Reserva, located in Jalahalli by Renaissance Holdings.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.